Adam here at the Digital Goja showroom. Today's a special day. We have an incredible lens that we're going to do an unbox overview from ZEISS. It's new to the Digital Goja showroom, so stay tuned. Welcome and thank you for joining us today. As I mentioned in the intro, we're going to do an unboxing and overview of a new ZEISS lens to the Digital Goja showroom. This happens to be the 135mm f2.8. It's part of the Batis line of lenses from ZEISS. It's for the Sony full-frame E-mount cameras. First part of the video, we're going to do an unboxing where we're going to show you what ZEISS provides you with the lens. Then we're going to go into an overview of the lens. We'll go over some of the specifications, take a closer look at this lens. So without further ado, let's get this box unboxed. All right, so let's see what ZEISS provides you with the 135mm lens. And you'll first notice that the lens is packed really nicely in pre-cut foam, but let's take a look at what's inside this white box. So you're going to have your instructional manual, your Discover ZEISS Optics pamphlet, 3-year warranty from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja, and your ZEISS warranty guideline and certificate of authenticity. Let's get the lens out of the box. So you're going to notice that it's a very sleek and minimalist design. You have your zoom ring, Oled display, and that's about it. Filter size is going to be 67mm, which makes it very affordable for even high-end filters. You have some ZEISS branding on the lens itself. If we take off the rear cap, you have an all-metal mount with weather sealing. ZEISS provides you with a bayonet-style lens hood. Once you install the lens hood onto the lens, it very much feels like one design, one piece. Great job, ZEISS, on that. So let's go over to the showroom and take a closer look at this lens, especially the specifications. So here it is, guys, the 135mm f2.8 ZEISS Batis lens. Now this is a line of lenses from ZEISS that's specifically designed for the Sony E-mount system cameras, so you won't find it available for Nikon or Canon. Now it's a telephoto prime lens that with a maximum aperture of f2.8. This is an ideal lens and a perfect lens for shooting portraiture. It's also great for shooting weddings. And if you're looking to get some great candidates at events, take a look at this lens. Let's go into some of the detailed specifications of the ZEISS Batis 135. Okay, so let's take a look at the construction of the lens. It's an all-metal design. It's fully weather sealed. And when you take an initial look at the lens, as compared to the camera body, you'll notice that the lens is long, but any lens of this focal length, it has to be around this size. But when you first pick it up, that's where you notice the difference from other manufacturers out there. It's lightweight, weighs in at only 1.3 pounds. And the reason why it's designed this way is because ZEISS wanted it to match and balance well with the Sony mirrorless system cameras. This may be a lightweight lens, but ZEISS did some magic here, folks. You have 14 elements in 11 groups. It follows the Apo Sonnar design. You have T-asterisk coating. This is going to give you some excellent contrast, beautiful color rendition, high resolution. It follows everything that ZEISS is known for in their optical designs. Let's take a closer look at some of the other specifications of the ZEISS Batis lens. As I mentioned before, the lens is balanced really well with this camera, but a 135mm lens gives you a very narrow field of view, which could make it difficult when shooting under low light. So ZEISS has implemented image stabilization inside the lens, and this helps out really well when shooting under low light, but it's also going to work in conjunction with the steady shot found in Sony's mirrorless cameras. So a unique feature of the Batis line of lenses is going to be their electronic Oled display. Now this is going to give you the ability to see the distance scale. You can customize it in metric or imperial. You can also see your depth of field. It's really easily viewable, whether or not you're viewing it in the daytime or at night. You can also turn it off if you want to save battery power. Now let's take a look at some of the autofocus features of this lens. So the autofocus of this lens is fast and it's precise. It's really quick, it's silent. It uses a linear autofocus motor, so the focus ring is not mechanically coupled to the lens, but here comes ZEISS's magic. You wouldn't know the difference. They do a really great job. The focus is dampened really well. So if you're going to focus the ring, it feels like a traditional manual focus lens. We are proud to be offering these new ZEISS Batis lenses here at Digital Gojo. Remember, subscribe to our channel for more unboxings, overviews, and first looks of these excellent lenses from ZEISS. If this video helped you out, hit that like button underneath. And if you're in the Miami area, come by, say hello at the Digital Gojo showroom. Adam here. Keep on shooting. I'll catch you in the next video.